Welcome to Sweet Talk SLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist. And today is a review video. But before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Also like this video and share it with your friends. Let's get started. So we're doing a review video on a product that I unboxed a few weeks ago. I'll link that video up here and down below so that you can find that unboxing. I'm talking about MagneTalk Matchup Adventures from SuperDuper Publications. So if you watched that video, you'll know that I ordered this because it went on sale and I've had some time to play with it and I have formulated my thoughts to give you a review on this product. So this product can be purchased from SuperDuperInc.com. It retails for $99.94. We'll talk more about pricing when we get to the price parameter. It comes with an easel, like a dry erase magnetic easel that you can stand up. And then it comes with 5 different scenes, 2 of each of the scenes so that you can use on each side. And then 10 magnets to go with each scene. And there's duplicates so that you can use it on the other side, if that makes any sense. That's what we're talking about today. And it comes in this bag and it comes with a book. So I don't want to talk too much about it because we'll talk more about it as I'm going through my review. Just as a reminder, my reviews have 5 parameters. They are storage, price, child response, functionality, and overall. So let's get started with storage. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. And I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 because it comes in a bag, but it's really large. So as a home health travel therapist, having something this big is just difficult to store in my car. Now, yes, it's not the biggest bag, but it is bulky in comparison to some of my toys. So for me, it's just, you know, storage is not the best. I imagine if you have an office space, you can store it just about anywhere. But for me, working out of my car, I try to find things that are just a little bit smaller than this. So for that reason, I'm giving it a 4 out of 5. Price. I'm going to give this a 2 out of 5. I feel like that's the lowest rating I've ever given. And $99.94. It's $100. That's a lot of money. Now, I realize the product is really well made and all of that. In my mind, too much money. Now, I bought it for $50. For $50, I give it a 4 out of 5. It is currently $79.95, so it's $80 instead of $100. For that price, I give it a 3 out of 5. It's still really expensive. If you can get this for $50, I think that's where you're winning. It does come with a lot. It has 100 magnets in total, and then, you know, the 10 scenes, 5 duplicate scenes. And so there are a lot of different language goals that you can target with this kit. And that's why I can't give it a 1 out of 5. But for me, it hurts my heart, it hurts my wallet, it hurts everything to spend that much money. So if you can get it on sale, I definitely recommend it. There's some like Facebook SLP resale pages. If you can find one on there for under $100, under $80 even, I'd say it would be a big win for you. But yeah, SuperDuper, I'm so sorry. So expensive. I'm so sorry. I love SuperDuper. SuperDuper, a lot of people don't, but you know, as an SLP of 12 years now, 12 years ago, this is all we had was SuperDuper. There wasn't as many products out there for us to choose from. So it holds a special place in my heart. I don't buy as many products from SuperDuper as I used to, but I still appreciate the products. I still love the products. So it hurts my heart to give them a 2 out of 5 or a 3 out of 5 or a 4 out of 5. So, you know, as a small disclaimer before we continue, because it's in every one of my videos, I live in Texas. We're in an excessive heat advisory, anticipated highs of 105. So my AC is on and off and on and off and on and off all day because it is scorching hot and I refuse to turn it off to film these videos. So enough about that, let's continue. Child response. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. The responses have been pretty positive. I had one child who was not interested, but after a few minutes, he was completely interested and he really enjoyed the magnets. I have other magnets that we also popped on here. So that was fun to do also. He enjoyed the images or the pictures that came on it. We had, I think we did this one, the picnic scene. And so it has a frog and I don't know, let's see, a bench, a ball, you know, a kite. And so he enjoyed working with it. So I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Functionality, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. It does what it's supposed to do. It is, you know, the pictures fit very nicely inside. The magnets work very well. They attach very nicely. So, and it comes with a book with reproducible pages, which I think is a bonus. I think you can get a lot of goals targeted with this set. So for that reason, I give it a 5 out of 5. Overall, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5. And the reason I'm giving it a 3 out of 5 is for a few reasons. I've knocked off some points. First, 1, the storage. 2, the biggest reason, the price. Oh my goodness, the price. And 3, I broke several nails while I was popping these out. They're thick and durable, which is great. But could you give them to me prepped? Like, why do you have to make me work so hard? You charge so much money, and then I had to pop them out, and then I broke all my nails. So, and it was like painful. Like, it hurt to pop them out. So don't let kids do it, because I mean, man, you'll have broken fingers or something. So, I still enjoy it. I will still continue using it. I do like that this bag is so durable. I do like the pictures. There are fun pictures. But it is a pricey set, and I knew going into it that, you know, this review might be on the lower end of things for me because of the price point. But if you can get it for $50, I do recommend it. I do think you can work really well with this, and especially if you're doing groups. I don't do groups. I do one-on-one therapy. I'm a home health therapist, travel SLP. So, you know, it's just me and a child, and so it works well for us. And so I've been happy with it so far. It's just, you know, it's pricey, it's bulky, and I broke my, you know, nails, and I wasn't happy about that. So that's all I have for now. Do you own any of the MagneTalk bags? I think there's one other one, but I don't know what the other one is called. And I know they have smaller sets, but I do like this one better than those other sets, because I feel like I've had one of the other sets before of the MagneTalk. I do enjoy this one more, but it still hurts my wallet. So yeah, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, I hope that you'll consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, ring that notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly uploads. But yeah, that's all I have for now. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.